YouTube, what is up? It's Devontae Graves back again with another video, and I wanted to talk to you guys about internet lifestyle pros. This is the most simple system I have ever seen in my entire life, in my 22 years of living on the planet Earth. Okay, I've been doing the online marketing thing for about 2.5 years now, and this is definitely the best system to have right now. Okay, because if you're in any type of internet marketing, if you're watching this video, if you want to make money online, this is the perfect setup for you. Okay, internet lifestyle pros, my man Chris is crushing it. He's talking about having 19 gold members in 2 weeks and several diamond and platinum members. I'm only a gold member, but 19 gold members, that would be like $300 weekly, and that's just talking about gold members alone. We're not even talking about diamond, $100 commissions, platinums, and master. Ooh, okay. Internet lifestyle pros. I'm gonna just show you guys when I purchased it. I've been dropping some direct traffic link to the LastYearBeingBrokePlan.com via Chris Clicks. I've been getting leads every day, by the minute, by the second. As you can see, this is the last 10 clicks. This is how it's been. 1K of credits last night. I'll say around the time of 12 o'clock. Good amount of opt-ins, and once I purchased the Internet Lifestyle Sales Pro, I immediately got a opt-in as well. As you can see, guys, I am currently in my sent mail. My emails are going out to people every hour, as much as possible, as quickly as possible, all thanks to the Power Lead system. And if you've been on the sidelines watching me, believe me, I've been on that sideline as well watching. But I got off the bench. This is a call to action. So I'm gonna let my man Sean Powell speak really quickly and find out how you can crush it in this Internet Lifestyle Sales Pro Last Year Being Broke Plan Power Lead System / your primary business. This is the whole sales funnel, and I'm gonna let my man Sean Powell tell you how we are crushing it.
Example as to why I'm using Internet Lifestyle Pros. Okay, first of all, I want you to know the results I've gotten. I have not really been getting out the new people. I have not been hammering YouTube videos left and right. This is actually only the third one I've made. And so what I really wanted to see with Internet Lifestyle Pro was not going to be whether or not I could make it work. I know I could do that. I wanted to see what my downline would do with it. Okay. So for really, I put in, I guess, about 25 people, maybe 30 people, and wanted to see what kind of results they were getting. For the last 2 weeks, even though I have not really been hammering away getting out the people, I still have gotten 19 new gold members into Power Lead systems, multiple diamonds and multiple platinums. And as a matter of fact, just to give you an example, in the last 24 hours, I got
That's what I'm talking about.
2 new gold members, a diamond, a platinum.
That's what we doing about
3
here.
gold
Last Year
members
Being
right
Broke
here.
Plan.
This is in 24 hours time, or pretty close to it. The time frame I'm looking at. Now, the most beautiful thing about this is, out of those 19, about half of them were pass-ups. Now, understand, for that to be a pass-up, that means that I brought in someone new or someone else, that's taken off, and every other one has gone up. You understand? It's going to be a pass-up into my business. So I'm already sitting at 19, which about half of them are going to be pass-ups. Now, I have got a guy, his name is Tony, and as a matter of fact, he just went platinum and diamond last night. So he was my diamond and platinum, right?
Nice.
Has just recently come into the business. I want you to see something, though, y'all. It's very interesting. Tony just came into the business. He went diamond and platinum, and let me show you this. This is me congratulating him 13 hours ago. You see that, right? Congratulations to Tony. Let me show you this, y'all. 13 hours, Yet here it is 7 hours ago. Please welcome Alton Mark Silence to the group. He's still waiting approval. He just became my first gold member in PLS today. Okay,
Shout out to
Tony came
Tony
through
Moot.
here, had no idea about power lead
Shout out to
systems.
Tony, man.
He came directly through me as a sign up, okay?
It's
So he
great.
went diamond and platinum, and within just a few hours, he's already got his first gold member. That's why I am promoting Internet Lifestyle Pros, because of the fact that it's getting people the answers who are brand new. Y'all, how many people, if you're already in power lead systems and you were getting out and you were struggling, do you realize that if you show people something that's very professional, it's got a lot of professionalism in it, that's been put together right, that's going to convert right, and you give people the answers, even new people are going to succeed. Somebody sees something, they know a good thing when they see it, then they see somebody who's excited, they were the ones that brought them into it.
And basically, everything Sean is talking about is straight facts. I'm a 22-year-old college student. Look at everything. Get back to me. Get in the Facebook group. Last year being broke playing. My name is Devontae Graves, Internet Lifestyle Pros, and I will most definitely see you on the inside.